Biodiversity. Describe the enormous variety of life on Earth. Species diversity. Ecodiversity. Genetic diversity. The Amazon rainforest has a high level of biodiversity, with many species of mammals, reptiles, and insects. Erosion. The process of eroding or being eroded by wind or water. Corrosion. Weathering. Decomposition. Experts believe that poor farming methods have contributed to increased soil erosion. Eco-friendly. Earth-friendly or not harmful to the environment. Environment-friendly. Viable. Green. Wood can be used more in construction, as an eco-friendly and healthy material. Conservation. Careful preservation and protection of something. Preservation. Protection. Maintenance. In many parts of the world, water conservation is essential during the summer months. Deforestation. The cutting down of trees in a large area. Logging. Uncovering. Desertification. Our land is severely eroded as a result of widespread deforestation and intensive farming. Contamination. The process of making something dirty or poisonous. Adulteration. Poisoning. Pollution. Now we have been experiencing a high level of environmental contamination all over the world. Global warming. A gradual increase in the Earth's temperature. Global heating. Climate change. Climate crisis. The burning of a significant amount of fossil fuels is a major contributing factor to global warming. Flora. All the plant life present in a particular region. Vegetation. Foliage. Plant life. A considerable number of species of both flora and fauna have gone extinct over the past centuries. Fauna. All of the animal life present in a particular region. Animals. Creatures. Wild animals. Flora and fauna, in particular birds, are the victims of oil and other forms of pollution. Adaptation. Adjustment to environmental conditions. Modification. Change. Acclimatization. The process of adaptation to a new environment is difficult for some animal species. Mitigation. Reducing the force or intensity of something. Alleviation. Relief. Lessening. The environmental problem is complex, and its mitigation will require extensive measures. Topography. A detailed map of the surface features of land. Landscape. Geography. Terrain. The latest aerial cameras are capable of capturing the Earth's topography from space. Inhospitable. Places are not easy or comfortable to live in. Adverse. Unfavorable. Miserable. The inhospitable conditions led to the extinction of Earth species, including the dinosaurs. Extinction. A situation in which something no longer exists. Obliteration. Destruction. Extermination. Animal extinction is caused by many factors including the destruction of habitats. Consumerism. The act that promotes the acquisition of goods. Materialism. Avarice. Capitalism. The world is based on consumerism. The economy relies on the hustle and bustle of sales. Emissions. Something that has been emitted or released. Discharges. Ejections. Exhausts. The emissions from cars are responsible for a substantial amount of air pollution on Earth. Aquifer. An underground layer of water bearing. Groundwater. Reservoir. Fountain. The reserves of water in reservoirs and aquifers have been steadily diminishing. Renewable energy. Energy comes from natural sources or processes. Solar energy. Wind energy. Hydropower. Renewable energy is energy produced by wind, sun, and other sources that will never run out. Vulnerable. Capable of being physically or emotionally attacked. Susceptible. Unprotected. At risk. People from coastal areas are particularly vulnerable to natural calamities and tragedies. Sustainability. The ability to be maintained at a certain rate. Survivability. Durability. Tolerability. Wind turbines have a high level of sustainability because the wind is an endless resource. Conservation. The act of protecting Earth's natural resources. Preservation. Maintenance. Saving. Collecting rainwater is an important part of water conservation for many communities. Recycling. Process of converting waste into reusable material. Reutilizing. Reprocessing. Regenerating. Recycling helps control environmental pollution by reducing the need for waste dumps. Poaching. The illegal hunting or capturing of wild animals. Hunting. Killing illegally. Intruding. Animal conservationists think poaching poses a huge threat to the survival of endangered animals. Ecology. The relationship of living things to their environment. Biosphere. Ecosphere. Natural world. Technology is playing an increasingly vital role in conservation and ecology research. Hazard. An unavoidable danger or risk. Jeopardy. Endangerment. Peril. Growing levels of pollution represent a serious health hazard to the local community. Fossil fuel. Fossil fuels are fuels formed by natural processes. Gasoline. Crude oil. Natural gas. In recent times, the agriculture industry has become a major fossil fuel energy user. Biodegradable. Decaying naturally, which is not harmful to the environment. Decomposable. Perishable. Eco-friendly. Since biofuels are made with biodegradable matter, they are less toxic than fossil fuels. Organic. Being or coming from living plants and animals. Biological. Natural. Chemical-free. Eating organic food reduces one's chances of developing certain types of cancers. Logging. An act of cutting down trees on a large scale. Deforestation. Chopping. Cutting down trees. People are cutting down thousands of acres of rainforest through illegal logging. Husbandry. The cultivation or production of plants or animals. Farming. Agronomy. Agriculture. Grasslands provide more scope for combining conservation and livestock husbandry. Heat waves. A continuous period of very hot weather. Droughts. Hot spells. Swelter. More frequent and more severe heat waves will lead to more heat-related deaths. Carcinogen. A substance that is likely to cause cancer. Deadly chemical. Health hazard. Poison. Plutonium is considered one of the deadliest substances known in the environment.